food. This jungle is not enough. What we have is enough. We do not need more. Does anyone else have something to say? We should prepare for war.
Breakfast time! Who stole my bananas?
You ate them yourself.
Every creature matters. Strength is not power, but unity.
Danger is rising beyond the borders.
We must be prepared, but we do not attack without reason. Keep watch from above. Guard the borders. Look after the others. Everyone, stay alert!
What is happening?
Chico, something is not right. Go and check. Let it burn. This jungle will be ours.
We must attack now.
No, not now. We need a plan. Fall back.
We lost our chance. We should have attacked.
A battle fought in anger is a battle already lost. We fight to win, not just to survive. They're hiding. Then we hunt them down. Tonight, the jungle belongs to us. No one survives.
What if we don't make it? Fear won't save us.
Fear is natural, but we move forward anyway. Listen carefully. This is our only chance. You create distraction from above, keep them confused. You break their formation. Use your strength. You strike fast. Don't let them regroup. Stay back and stay safe.
Okay.
We move as one, and we finish this together. We stand together. 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 Tonight, we take back our jungle.
They're too many.
But not together.
They have a pattern, and we use it. Now.
This jungle is ours! yours.
This jungle is ours! It ends now.